The 2021 iPhone 13 models are just days away for being unveiled, and because we have hearing rumors about what to expect from the new devices since before the 2020 iPhone 12 models even debuted, we have a good idea what's coming. Apple has announced an event that will take place on Tuesday, September 14. But before that, let's take a look at all the rumors and what to expect to new iPhone 13. So let's begin. The 2021 iPhone lineup will look similar to the 2020 iPhone lineup, with 4 devices in size that includes 5.4 inches, 6.1 inches and 6.7 inches, with 2 of the iPhone being higher end Pro models and postponed lower cost, more affordable devices. Major design changes are not expected, and 2021 iPhone will have the same feature set as the 2020 iPhones, but we can count on the camera improvement, a faster A series processor, a new 5G chip from Qualcomm, increased battery life, and a tweak to the size of the notch. There were early rumors that at least one iPhone in 2021 would feature a portless design that relies entirely on wireless charging. But that's not going to happen this year. Apple is going to continue to rely on Lightning for the foreseeable future, with no transition to USB-C, and there will be no portlet design. Until MagSafe accessories are more common, portless iPhone could instead start appearing in 2022. We are expecting a smaller notch on the front of the iPhone, with Apple able to shrink down the Face ID hardware. A smaller notch will be the only major visual change to the front of the iPhone. Apple is also expected to introduce 120Hz display refresh rate for Pro iPhone models, bringing the iPad Pro Motion technology to the iPhone for the first time. Apple was considering adding an in-display fingerprint sensor to the iPhone 13 model, which would be used in addition to Face ID as an alternate biometric authentication method, but its features that's been tabled or saved for the future update because it didn't make the cut for the iPhone 13. The iPhone 13 will solely rely on Face ID. When it comes to the improved camera technology, rumors suggested we could see the large sensor in the iPhone 12 Pro Max extended to other models, along with the sensor shift stabilization featured for better autofocus and stabilization across the lineup. With the camera changes that are coming, there are some design changes to the camera bump on the iPhone 13 model. This will be most noticeable on the iPhone 13 Pro, which is getting much larger Pro Max size camera array, and the iPhone 12 and 12 mini will have diagonal camera setup. There are rumored to be improvements to the ultra-wide lenses on the Pro iPhone 13 model in the form of better performance in low light condition and improved autofocus, but few changes are expected for the wide lens in the devices. The iPhone 13 and 13 Pro are expected to feature a new diagonal camera lens setup, a departure for the design of the iPhone 12 models. We are expecting the iPhone 13 model to have a large battery capacity than the iPhone 12 model, with Apple swiping to space-saving component to allow for room for larger battery. Reverse wireless charging is possibility, and the new iPhone could also have a strong MagSafe magnet. The iPhone 13 models will use a 5nm A15 chip that will bring speed and efficiency improvement, plus 5G connectivity will improve thanks to Qualcomm 660 modem. Wi-Fi will also be improving with Wi-Fi 6E. And this is it guys, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.